Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how much I've been able to make with the crypto trading bot on Bitget after 7 days. Now, in case you're watching me for the first time, 7 days ago I made a video talking about how to make money with copy trading bots on the Bitget app, and then I invested $100 in an AI bot. And I told you guys to let me know how many days I should leave this for. Some of you there said 3 days, some of you said 7 days, some of you said 14 days, and so on. But majority people said 7 days. So I decided to leave it for 7 days. And today is the 7th day. So I'm going to be showing you guys how much I've been able to make in the 7 days and what happened each day. So I'll be talking about everything in this video. Now let's go straight to the point. Now, to go to the trading bot page, there are different ways. I showed it in my last video. You can go directly from the home page. If you are going from the home page, just click on more right here. And once you click on more, you click on trading, and that's where you have bots right here. So once you click on it, you take you to the crypto trading bots page on Bitget. But let's say, for example, you don't want to come through this home page. You can just go through the trade page. So at the bottom side of the screen, you see where you have trade. Just click on it. Once you click on it, at the top side, you see where you have bots. So once you click on bots right there, it will also take you to the crypto trading bot page on Bitget. Now that we're on Bitget, remember I told you last time that we have different type of trading bots. We have spot, we have futures, and so on. So I decided to go with futures trading bots. And one more thing I talked about in the previous video where I invested $100, I said there are two different ways you can use the trading bot on Bitget. Number one is by creating your own trading bot, and number two is by using an AI trading bot or an existing trading bot. That is a trading bot you did not create yourself. So in that last video, we decided to go with an existing trading bot where we followed an AI trading bot, and I'll be showing you the result right now. And I said in my next video, which is the video after this one, I'll be creating a video where I'll be showing you guys how to use a trading bot you created yourself. So I'll show you how to create a trading bot, everything you need to know, everywhere you need to put in the values. I'll show you when I'm creating my own trading bot. And then we'll also invest another $100 in that and leave it for maybe 7 days. And then I'll come back and show you guys how much I made with that. So we can compare which one is better between using an existing trading bot, or let me say AI trading bot, and using a trading bot created by yourself. So I hope you understand. So that is why I'm doing this. So straight to the point, how much have I been able to make in 7 days? So with $100, I've been able to make $104. So I've just made $4 profit in 7 days. Now, I'm very sure the first thing that is on your mind right now is this is too small to make in 7 days. Yes, you might say it is too small because this is crypto trading. You should be making more than that in 1 week. Well, there are different things I'm going to be explaining to you right now that you need to understand about this. But before that, let me just show you, in case you want to see more details about your trading bot. Just come here to where you have my bot at the bottom side. So if you click on it, it will show you every details right here. So you can see my total profit is 4.2 USDT, and that's 4% profit. So right here, you'll be able to see all the details about your trading bot. And you can see right here, the trading bot was running for 7 days and 3 hours. So it's exactly 7 days. But what are the things I just want to explain to you guys? Firstly, you need to know that this trading bot was already on $110 on the 4th day. So this does not mean that maybe throughout it never moved above $104. This does not mean that maybe it was on $104 from day 1 till day 7. No. On day 3, when I checked, it was on $108. I checked it on day 4, it was on $110. And then on day 6, which was yesterday, it was on $106, which means it has gone down. And then today, which is day 7, it has gone down to $104. Now, what is this trying to say? This is to tell you that it is normal. This is a normal thing in crypto. The crypto market moves up and it moves down. Let's say, for example, I decided to maybe close it on day 4. That means I would have made 10% profit, which is $10, because it was on $110. So that means I would have made $10 profit in 4 days, which is very, very good. So this does not mean that right now that it has gone down back to $104 on day 7, that it is bad or it is not a good trading bot. No. Crypto market moves up and down. Expect it. So if it moves up, use the opportunity and take your profit and get out, because it will definitely come down. So this is a lesson for everyone that is trading. If you are trading, don't expect that once you enter the trade, it should just be going your way, that it should never go against you. No, the market will move your way and it will also move against you. It happens in the crypto market. So if anyone is promising you that in the crypto market, your money will only be moving up, it will never move down. No. Now, the second thing right here you need to know is that you are not doing anything in this. You are not racking your brain to be doing technical analysis or thinking of, oh, will the market go up or go down, all of those things. No, the trading bot is doing everything for you. Let's say, for example, you're the one who did this. You did it on day one. You can decide to put your phone away. You don't need to be checking your phone for, oh, has it gone up, has it gone down? You can just check it maybe 2 days later, 3 days later, 4 days later, or something like that. Unless, for example, you checked it on day 4 and you saw $110. If you want to close it, you can decide to close it. Or if you are checking it on day 7, which is me right now, and I'm seeing $104, if you still want to close it, you can close it. Now, if I decide to leave this maybe till day 10, I can come back on day 10 and I will be seeing $115. It is possible. That's just the possibility in crypto. In crypto, you can make anything and you can lose anything. The reason I'm saying this is because I now get people in the comment telling me that 4% in 1 week is too small. Well, it was on 10% on day 4. So the summary of what I'm trying to tell you is that when you try to do this, always make sure that when you have hit a particular percentage you are okay with, make sure you close it. Or maybe if you're the kind of person that you want to leave it for a long time, then you can actually leave it for, like, let's say 1 week, 2 weeks, or so on. So if you leave it and maybe after 1 week or even 2 weeks, it goes up to, let's say, $120 or $115, you can close it. Now, the last thing I want to say about this AI trading bot. Now, let me tell you. So I've used this AI trading bot on Bitget like 3 times or 4. I think this is the 4th time. So this is the 4th one that I did with it. Now, one thing I can say from using this trading bot multiple times is that the trading bot is 80% accurate. This is based on my own analysis, 80% accurate. What this means is that if you decide to follow this trading bot, let's say 10 times, or maybe pick maybe different AI trading bots. I'm talking about AI trading bot now. So if you follow 10 different AI trading bots, there's chance that you make profit on 8 of them. I hope you understand. On 8 of them. And those 8, it is not going to be big profit. So you don't expect to turn $100 to $200 or turn $100 to $300. No. It is going to be giving you profit, like, let's say $10 profit, $20 profit, $30 profit. Yes, that's what I mean by it is profitable. So in case you want to do this, don't expect to be getting $100 to $1 million or $100 to $1,000. All of those things that are not realistic. Don't expect any of those things. So this is my results from this AI trading bot in 7 days. If you want to know anything more about this trading bot that I didn't mention in this video, just ask me in the comment section. I will reply to everything. Now, before I go, don't forget that in my next video, I'm going to be creating a trading bot myself. Don't forget that this is an AI trading bot. So I'll be creating a trading bot myself. I will also invest $100 in that and leave it for 7 days. And then I'll come back again and show you guys how much I made with it. So by then, we can now compare which one is better, whether AI trading bot or creating a trading bot by yourself. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for sticking with us on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.